I launched that logo, Salamat sa 9, with the dream that I was 2 years ago, that I really wanted to go back to all the municipalities, from Magsaysay, Mayor Ray, to Lugait, Mayor Perez. Walk around, thank people personally, shake their hands, tap their shoulders for the opportunity, for allowing me to serve them for the last 9 years. But very sad, COVID came, the pandemic came, and I was not able or was not allowed by Chief Jerry to go around the province. So I turned it into a hybrid. What I did was transfer from one department to the other for every Monday's flag ceremony. That was the inspiration behind the Salamat sa 9 sa logo.